Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. If you love creating beautiful decor from scrap materials and want to turn your passion into profit, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest tips, ideas, and tutorials. Let's start crafting and earning together. This hub is all about inspiring you to craft stunning home decor and accessories using everyday waste. Scrap materials are not just trash, they are treasure waiting to be transformed into unique art pieces. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, you'll find plenty of ideas here to start your own craft business. The best part? You can decorate your home while many people overlook the potential of scrap materials around them. Old papers, fabric scraps, broken jewelry, and leftover wood can all be repurposed into something extraordinary. At Sari 11, we believe that waste is simply a resource in disguise. By learning how to craft with these materials, you can create personalized wall hangings, decorative flower pots, jewelry, and even furniture. These DIY projects are not only eco-friendly but also cost-effective. You don't need expensive supplies to get started. With a little imagination and effort, you can craft beautiful decor pieces that attract buyers. This approach helps reduce waste and adds a unique touch to your home or shop. One of the easiest ways to start is by making wall art from scrap paper or fabric. You can create colorful collages, quotes, or abstract designs that brighten up any space. These make great gift items too. Using leftover wood or cardboard, you can craft stylish frames or shelves. These are perfect for home decoration and can be sold at local markets or online. The key is to keep your designs simple yet eye-catching. Share your creations on social media platforms to reach more customers. Many people, if you're good with your hands, consider making jewelry from scrap materials like beads, broken bangles, or fabric. These accessories are trendy and affordable. You can also create decorative pieces like flower vases from old bottles or cans. Painting, embellishing, or wrapping these items can give them a new life. Selling these items online, at craft fairs, or at local markets can generate good income. Plus, customizing items for special occasions like birthdays or weddings makes your product. Decorating your home with handmade crafts from scrap is a fulfilling experience. You can make beautiful wall hangings from fabric scraps, or craft eco-friendly planters from recycled cans. These decor items add charm and character to your living space. They also make great gifts for friends and family. By sharing your craft ideas, you can inspire others to reuse and recycle. This approach not only saves money but also creates a warm, inviting atmosphere at home. Plus, when you sell these crafts, you're promoting sustainability and supporting your local community. It's a meaningful way to decorate and earn simultaneously. Starting a small craft business from scrap is easier than you think. All you need is a few basic supplies, a bit of creativity, and the willingness to learn. Set up a workspace at home where you can organize your materials and work comfortably. Share your progress and finished projects on social media to attract customers. Offer custom orders to meet individual preferences. Pricing your crafts fairly ensures you earn enough while keeping your products accessible. Remember, consistency is key. The more you create and share, the more your reputation grows. Over time, your craft hobby can turn into a steady source of income. Marketing your scrap crafts is essential for success. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your work. Take clear, attractive photos and tell the story behind each piece. Offer discounts or bundle deals to encourage sales. Attend local craft fairs and markets to reach more people. Don't forget to ask satisfied customers for reviews and referrals. Building a loyal customer base takes time, but it's worth it. As your reputation grows, so will your sales. Remember, handmade products with a personal touch always attract buyers who appreciate uniqueness and sustainability. Learning new craft techniques can also boost your earning potential. Watch tutorials online, join craft groups, or attend workshops. Experiment with different materials and styles to diversify your product range. For example, combine scrap wood with fabric to make decorative trays or photo frames. The more versatile your skills, the more types of decor you can create and sell. Keep innovating and updating your offerings to stay ahead in the market. Sharing your journey and new creations encourages followers and potential customers to stay engaged with your brand. Lastly, remember that patience and passion are key. Building a successful craft and decor business from scrap materials takes time, dedication, and love for what you do. Celebrate small victories along the way and learn from any setbacks. Stay committed to your eco-friendly mission. And always look for new ideas to improve your crafts. Your creativity can make a positive impact on the environment while providing you with a steady income. With persistence, you can turn scrap into a profitable and rewarding venture. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and enthusiasm for creative, eco-friendly projects. If you enjoyed our content, please subscribe and stay connected for more inspiring ideas, tutorials, and tips. Together, let's craft, decorate, and make a difference.